Hi, Paulo here from Analytics.com, and we are here sa World Balance Trinoma dahil na-release na dito yung ST3 Glory Colorway. Yan. So, available to dito, of course, sa World Balance Trinoma and sa iba pang World Balance branches and sa kanilang online web store. Ang inspiration ng ST3 Glory Colorway ay yung accolades or yung accomplishments ni Scottie Thompson, particularly sa kanyang PBA career sa member of Barangay Ginebra Gene Kings, and of course sa iba pa, like kunwari yung pag-represent niya sa Gilas at saka yung pagkuha niya ng championships at yung personal accomplishments niya, like part siya ng 50 greatest players ng PBA, and of course yung kanilang championship run with the Barangay Ginebra Kings. Of course, nagre-reflect dyan yung kanyang mantra na hard work, discipline, and faith, na kung saan yun yung in-embody niya para ma-achieve yung kanyang mga accomplishments sa kanyang PBA journey. Ayan, so makikita nyo yung upper is predominantly in shade of gold, representing yung kanyang accomplishments and yung kanyang mga accolades. Synthetic mesh upper, kita nyo, meron siyang mga perforations for breathability. Pagdating naman dito sa pinakatang area, isa siyang one-piece construction sa loob. So, meron siyang sack-like fit, nagawa siya sa knit material, so stretchable. Outside nun, ito yung fused material. ST logo at saka yung pull tab with Scottie Thompson signature. Cushion, meron siyang S-Ride foam, which is responsive foam, EVA blend. Ayan. Tapos yung lateral cage na nandito sa may midfoot area, ang tawag nila ay wing cage. Kita niyo naman, resembles the World Balance logo. Ang maganda dito is makikita mo rin underneath is meron siyang parang torsion bar sa midfoot area. Meron siyang milky white na radial pattern na outsole. Kita nyo naman, it runs from the forefoot, tapos meron din dito sa heel area. Of course, nandito yung World Balance logo, tapos yung Believe We Can na mantra naman ng World Balance. Yan, tapos may ST logo. For price, the shoe retails for 3,999. So ayan, for sizing, go with your Euro size. And of course, pag may chance, i-fit nyo dito sa World Balance stores para makuha nyo yung best fit. So that's it, yung ST3 Glory Colorway. Yan, available dito sa World Balance stores sa Trinoma at sa iba pang World Balance branches at web store. So be sure to check out Analytics.com for more sneaker news, features, and reviews. I'll see you in my next video.